Today I'm going to teach you the word anger or angry in Thai. Angry, we call that โกรธ 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 means angry, โกรธ. If you notice, I roll my tongue, but in a regular conversation, you don't have to do that. You should say โกรธ 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 means angry. You have an anger issue, okay? You're just minding your own business at the bar, drinking a beer, and someone just walk by and just, when you look at them and they look at you, it's just something just snap, โกรธ, okay? Or โกรธ. All right, how do you use that? There's different ways of to use this word. Try not to use it because it's not good to be angry. But, sometimes you just can't help it. We're all humans. So, first one is no longer angry. หายโกรธ 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 means you're no longer angry. Just say you're angry at something before, and now you're no longer angry. หาย means disappeared. โกรธ means anger. Anger disappeared. หายโกรธ means that you're no longer angry. You can laugh again. You can love again. You come to terms with it, and you're just moving on because it's not doing you any good. หายโกรธ means no longer angry. Now, the next one is if you're sensitive to anger, a lot of things can just shorten your fuse. You have a short fuse, right? Very sensitive to anger. We call it โกรธง่าย 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 ง่าย means easy to get angry. โกรธง่าย short fuse, all right? โกรธง่าย anything. A bird flew by, you're like, God, and poop on your face or whatever. Or things that doesn't go your way. Sometimes it's good to just let it go, man, because you're in Thailand. If you're in Thailand, you surround yourself with people that, like you, love you, friendly people. Don't get angry. It's not going to get you far. Next one. If you see someone and they're angry at something, doesn't have to be with you or with you, you can say, are you angry? โกรธเหรอ 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 It's a little difficult because there's a lot of tongue rolling in there. But like I said before, just drop the R and replace with an L. โกรธเหรอ โกรธเหรอ means are you angry? You angry with something? You angry at something? โกรธเหรอ Pretty casual way. Friend asking another friend. โกรธเหรอ means are you angry? Of course they're going to tell you they're angry because, they're not happy with you. You came home late. I don't know. Okay? โกรธเหรอ Or you can say คุณโกรธเหรอ คุณโกรธเหรอ means are you angry? Now, next one is why would it be angry? If they ask you, hey, you angry? And you say, why would it be angry? ทำไมผมต้องโกรธ Male speaker. ทำไมผมต้องโกรธ or ทำไมฉันต้องโกรธ ทำไมฉันต้องโกรธ means why would it be angry? Okay? They ask you, are you angry at something? Why are you angry? And you can say, why would I be angry? ทำไมผมต้องโกรธ or ทำไมฉันต้องโกรธ In a lot of situations, you can be using that too because people might assume that you're angry. They came home, your new friend came back to the hotel and they bought a Louis Vuitton bag, right? Cost I don't know, 200,000 baht. I don't know how much it costs, right? In Thailand. And you look at it and they look at you and they go, โกรธเหรอ means are you angry? And then you go, oh, why would it be angry? You just spent my life saving. ทำไมผมต้องโกรธ ทำไมผมต้องโกรธ or ทำไมฉันต้องโกรธ Why would it be angry with you? You only bought 5 of those. Now, next one. Very angry. โกรธมาก 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 means very angry. You looking at those bags, looking at those Louis Vuitton bags, right? And you go, ผมโกรธมาก or ฉันโกรธมาก means I'm very angry with that. I'm very angry at what you just did. That's the money I used to go home. Now I have no money anymore. Now I'm gonna be homeless. ผมโกรธมาก or ฉันโกรธมาก I'm very angry. And the next step from being angry is rage, furious. โกรธจัด 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 means furious, uncontrollable. That's when things get out of control. โกรธจัด. All right? Furious. Try not to do that because it might not end well. Okay? Nothing good's come out from that. So, yeah, just try to stay calm and just, go out for a beer and just walk off. Don't forget, you can choose to be angry or to not be angry. Just choose not to be angry. All right? And the last one is don't be angry. อย่าโกรธ 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 means don't be angry. Just little small things. Don't be angry. อย่าโกรธ. Okay? And just say if you ask them, hey, are you angry? They say yes. And you can say อย่าโกรธ. Means don't be angry. Whatever it is, if you have an anger issue, man, try to stay calm. If you don't want to get help, you can do self-help. Walk it off, go to the beach, stay out for a couple of days or take a vacation and come back and deal with it later. It will get better. Trust me. Go back, watch it, rewatch it, and practice it. Okay? My name is Bodo. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's Bodo_Thai. All right? Tons of lessons there. So anyway, I hope this video is helpful for you. And I will see you again soon. Peace.